In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple sheets in Smartsheet. If you've ever tried to clean up a crowded Smartsheet account, you know it can be tedious to remove sheets one by one. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to quickly delete several sheets at once from a workspace, so you can keep your environment organized and easy to navigate. Start by opening Smartsheet in your browser and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main Smartsheet home screen, look for the Browse option in the left-hand panel. This is where you can see all of your workspaces and the items stored inside them. Go ahead and click on Browse. This will expand a list of your available workspaces, folders, and sheets. Next, choose the workspace that contains the sheets you want to delete. A workspace is basically a container that groups related sheets, reports, and dashboards together, often for a specific project, team, or client. Click on the name of the workspace you want to work in. When you select it, you'll see a list of all the items within that workspace in the main area of the screen. Now you're ready to select the sheets you want to remove. In the workspace list, find the individual sheets you no longer need. To select multiple sheets, click on the first sheet, then hold down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac, and click each additional sheet you'd like to delete. If they're listed next to each other, you can also click the first one, hold Shift, and click the last one to select Arrange. Take a moment to double check what you're selecting, because deleting multiple sheets at once can't be undone easily. Once you've highlighted all the sheets you want to delete, look toward the top of the sheet list for the toolbar. There you'll see a trash icon, which represents the delete action. Click on the trash icon. Smartsheet will usually ask you to confirm that you want to delete the selected items. Read the confirmation message carefully, then confirm the deletion. After you confirm, the selected sheets will be moved to the trash area associated with your account or workspace, depending on your permissions and Smartsheet settings. From there, they may still be recoverable for a limited time, but you should assume that anything you delete could be permanently removed. And that's it. You've successfully deleted multiple sheets from a Smartsheet workspace in just a few clicks.